First of all, the date of Ipackima will be 19 to 23 of May. We move from the traditional date of Ipackima that generally happen in end of February, March, just to take the occasion of Expo 2015. Expo, the theme of Expo 2015 is Feeding the Planet, Energy for Life. So Ipackima is displaying the technology for feeding the planet. So we move in connection with Expo. Expo will be a big event, will attract a lot of visitors, and the theme of Expo, as I mentioned, is very tied up with Ipackima. The big novelties of Ipackima 2015 are two. First, Ipackima will be co-located with our three international events. That is Converflex, converting and package printing exhibition. I want to say that the first edition of Converflex was in 2092. So when the package printing and converting were not
1992.
1982.
Ah.
1982. So we were the first to understand the move of the printing technology to the package and not only to editorial. At that time, we were converting and package printing were considered the poor sister of the graphic arts. Now the world is changing, but we were on the front line of that. So Converflex will be strictly tied up with Ipackima packaging and package printing, Graphitalia for the graphic communication, and the new exhibition that we are launching with Deutsche Messe, that is Intralogistica Italia. Deutsche Messe is the leading exhibition organizer of worldwide organizer, and specifically is organized CEMAT, that is the leading exhibition for material handling and logistics inside the industry. These are the four exhibitions, Ipackima, Graphitalia, Conver, and Intralogistica, are a complete supply chain. We present for the visitor the complete supply chain, an helicopter view of what is the interconnection of technologies that are strictly connected. The other novelties of Ipackima 2015 that we shall launch in connection, interrelated with Ipackima, 3 new exhibitions focus on specific business community that are as in common the food fresh industry, and that will be meat tech, fruit tech innovation, and dairy tech. So for the visitor, there is a unique opportunity with one trip to Milan to see 4 international strictly helicopter view, but also to see focus exhibition on specific area of business, like the one I mentioned, dedicated to the fresh. Moreover, there is Expo 2015.
Okay. Now, I understand that Ipack-Ima is also venturing overseas, outside of Italy, actually outside of Europe. Can you tell me more about your plans there?
Yes, we are currently organized outside Italy in cooperation with Messeduso, Ipack-Italia in Russia, since '84. So now our show is very well dedicated. Is considered #1 show for packaging and processing in Moscow. We launched recently a new exhibition in East Africa, covering the region of East Africa, with a partnership of UNIDO, with East African Community, and with the Ministry of Industrialization of Kenya. Moreover, recently joined us as a partner, PMMI, the strong, the powerful association that represents the American machinery manufacturer, packaging machine manufacturer. That means that we are not the only one to see this area as a promising area, but also American join us in this project.
And you also are doing a series of conferences. Particularly, you mentioned one in Indonesia. Could you?
Yeah, this is a part of a program of memorandum of understanding we signed with UNIDO. Uh, I'm proud to say that UNIDO has identified Ipackima as his partner for um, upgrading the level of technology in packaging in the developing country and in the new country in which is very active UNIDO. According to this memorandum that we signed, we shall run some conference fully dedicated to sustainability for sustainable packaging for development. This is the theme, and this will happen in Indonesia, probably in October or November of this. We have not fixed the date because it will be specifically care of UNIDO, the organization. We have no strong connection in that area, so UNIDO will take care. Like on the contrary, we took care when the conference we have done recently in Mumbai, in India. We have done a conference in Kigali, in Rwanda, as a trailer to East Africa, and we shall plan another conference again on the same theme during East Africa in Europe in September. And the last will be the conference during Ipackima 15.
So everything leading towards Ipack-Ima
It's not a
2050.
spot. The
No.
Indian is not a spot initiative, but it's part of a project.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great.